Hello third graders, this is Mrs. Copeland and I'm a math teacher in Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. I'm going to be helping you with third grade memory joggers. Let's take a look at week 9, day 1, problem A. About how much does an iPhone weigh? 6 ounces, 6 quarts, or 6 pounds? Johanna has 8 bottles of soda. Each bottle has 4 quarts of soda. How many quarts of soda does Johanna have? We have a few things we need to remember before we begin. We use inches, feet, and yards to measure length. How long is it? The width of 1 quarter is about 1 inch. The length of a piece of copy paper is almost 1 foot long. The height of a doorknob is about 1 yard. We use pounds and ounces to measure weight. How heavy is it? 1 slice of cheese weighs about 1 ounce. 1 can of beans weighs about 1 pound. We use cups, pints, quarts, and gallons to measure capacity. How much will it hold? 1 school milk carton holds about 1 cup. A regular dinner glass holds about 1 pint. A tall water bottle holds about 1 quart. And a large jug of milk holds 1 gallon of milk. Our first question asks about how much does an iPhone weigh? So we're thinking about weight. So we're going to be thinking about pounds and ounces. So when we look at our answer choices and we're thinking about the weight of an iPhone, it asks us, does it weigh 6 ounces, 6 quarts, or 6 pounds? Well, quarts doesn't even measure weight. So we know we can mark that one out right away. Quarts are used to measure how much something will hold, or capacity. So let's mark that one out. So now we have to think about an iPhone, and does an iPhone weigh 6 ounces or 6 pounds? Let's relook at our clues. 1 slice of cheese weighs about 1 ounce, and 1 can of beans weighs about 1 pound. So would carrying an iPhone be like carrying 6 cans of beans, or would it be like carrying 6 slices of cheese? Which one would it be more like? It would be kind of heavy to carry 6 cans of beans, and we know most of our iPhones are not that heavy. So we would say 6 ounces is the best answer here. Johanna has 8 bottles of soda. Each bottle has 4 quarts of soda. How many quarts of soda does Johanna have? So we can kind of think of what is happening here. She has 1 bottle that holds 8, another bottle that holds 8 quarts, and another bottle that holds 8 quarts, and another one because there's a total of 4. Now we could solve this problem several different ways. We could add 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Or we could record this as a multiplication equation, 4 times 8, because for multiplication there are 4 groups of 8. If you already know your multiplication facts, you already know the answer to this, and you can just write the answer to 4 times 8. But let's say for a moment that you forgot exactly what 4 times 8 is. A strategy that you can use to figure that out is to add 4 8s together. So 8 and 8 is 16. 2 more 8s is 16, and now I have to put the 2 16s together. 10 plus 10 is 20, 6 plus 6 is 12, and then I put 20 and 12 together, and that is 32. So then I know that 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Now, it's always important when you're solving problems with measurement that you tell the type of measurement. Because just like we were talking about a second ago about the iPhone weight, it would be very different for it to have 32 ounces versus 32 pounds of something, or in this case 32 quarts versus 32 gallons of something. That would be 2 very different amounts. So we want to always make sure when solving a measurement problem especially that we put exactly what the unit that we're measuring with is. Thank you, and if you have additional questions about this problem, please ask your classroom teacher.